We are here. This is Ashford place. Okay, all right. I was looking for this place. I was thinking that we weren't gonna be able to find it, but it is back up here in the cut. So this is actually an apartment that was recommended. All right. That's why I tell you guys, drop your comments down below, and I will go and check out these apartment places for you. We have a young lady that is interested in moving into Charlotte, and yeah, we out here just doing the groundwork for it. So let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are out here. We're gonna go ahead and walk into this establishment, and yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna try to check out 1 and 2 bedrooms today, hopefully. Let's go. All right. So this is what it looks like inside the office. They say on a tour, we will be back soon. I love the fact that they, just let you kind of like just chill out in here until they get back. You got a little big screen TV up here. Now I'm wondering, is this spot open, to residents when, I guess they're not here? I don't know. Probably not. Probably not. Little stove over there, refrigerator, coffee maker, whole nine. Might as well stop by over there and see what's going on. Employees only back there. 10-4, 10-4. Okay. All right. All right. What is behind door number 1? Little bathroom back here. We are exploring. Should we be? I don't know. I feel like the pool is down this area. Oh, ooh, oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Yo. Got the Stairmaster over here. Stop playing. Now, this is a workout room right here. Now, the stuff is a little close together, but I'm just looking at like everything that they have. Like you can come in here and get a full-fledged workout in. Full-fledged, and you can look at yourself while you're getting your workout in. Okay? Got the big screen TV up here. Lockers. Nice. So lockers over here. Okay. Man, this is beautiful, man. And then out there, you got the, look like the pool. Okay, all right. Loving it so far. So your boy has to stay out of the gym for a total of 10 days. We are kickstarting this new little workout thing that I'm doing. So I can't be in the gym, otherwise I would put this camera down and do a little bit of lifting. That is a nice Stairmaster. That is nice. Got your pool out there. I'm pretty sure they'll probably clean it. But yeah, you got the pool. Over there, look like you got some slides, little playground for kids. I see some swings. Get a little zoom in action so y'all can see that. There you go. Yeah. I'm pretty sure we'll go out there and be able to tour it, or she might, or he might show us around. Men bathroom over here. Got your little invitation Peloton right there. But this is nice. Well, we're gonna go ahead and go back upstairs and wait on them. I just wanted to come downstairs just to see what was going on. This is nice though. I'm impressed so far. Stairs. Jeez. And back into the office. All right, we're gonna go ahead and have a seat. Wait on them to get back. I believe she's about to come through the door now. Got somebody out there moving in. Noise. Oh, okay, all right. This opens different. I like that. And this is the renovated unit. Okay. And this is 793 square feet.
Correct.
Okay, all right.
Co-closet.
Yeah. Bathroom right here. Yo, I don't know why, but I already love like the floor plan. This is nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, how everything is kind of like open. You can just go through everything. It's not closed off. That's fire. Shower tub combo. This is the renovated unit, and this is, I like. Washer and dryer. And washer and dryer comes with the renovated and non-renovated units?
You select units, so I have to confirm with that specific unit.
Okay.
But they all have connections, please.
Nice, okay. Either way, that's a bonus. Okay, little walk-in closet. Huge. Loving the carpet. And the cable is through Spectrum?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Nice size bedroom. Comes with the ceiling fan. All that room. So say for instance somebody is like a streamer or something like that, do you think that the internet connection is good enough to stream, or would that person have
I'm
to?
not totally sure. So I can answer that.
All right.
I don't know. I looked for 1 gig internet. I think if you wanted to upgrade your speed, you would just pay the difference to Spectrum directly.
Okay, yeah, that's not bad. Okay, all right. 1 gig. Okay. All right. Yeah. And it also does have a sunroom right here.
So some of them have patios, some of them have sunroom.
Okay.
If it's a patio, it would be the same amount of space. Just
Gotcha.
internal versus external.
Okay, yeah. I can definitely appreciate that sunroom. Yeah. Window over here. Beautiful. Okay. And yeah, this is nice. All right, guys, I wanted to check out a 2-bedroom today. This was the information that she gave me about the 2-bedroom. But we can go over the 1-bedroom. All right, so that was a 1-bedroom apartment, but they actually have 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms available. Now, the young lady, I can't remember what her name was, but she said that their apartment started at $1,075 or $1,095. My bad, y'all. The phone fell. So that bedroom was about 793 square feet. There was their renovated unit. So we went inside of their renovated unit. She was basically saying, it wasn't too much of a difference from the other unit, the classic unit is what they call the unrenovated unit. They just changed the color of the cabinets and, either black or white appliances. It's not really a huge difference, but you're going to pay that difference. We're going to go inside of Ross. Ah, dang it. Yeah, so we're going shopping today. The ones that were available, because I didn't see any 1,095 or whatever. What I did see was 1,175 available online. That is what was available. Their units went from online 1,175 all the way up to 1,995, and that's for a 3-bedroom. That was the most expensive unit I've seen in online. Maybe we'll get the opportunity to go back and check out the 2-bedroom, but she told me she's gonna have a 2-bedroom available later on this month, which is gonna be somewhere around $1,490. That's the base price for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,171 square feet. That's about close to how much the 2-bedroom square footage is. Now, let's get into the prices, right? Because this the add-ons. So normally they give you that base price, but we need to know how much are these apartments going to be all in all. The monthly pest control is going to be $4. The package delivery service is $15. The valet trash is $25, and the bulk internet is $60. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now my phone is not overheating anymore. We can go ahead and get to the summary or the conclusion of what are my thoughts about what we just seen, the apartment complex we just visited. I would say that this apartment complex, it will get a thumbs up for me. One, because I love the layout of that apartment. That is the very first time that I've went inside of an apartment and I felt like it wasn't like a dead end. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like it's always a door leading to something. Whether you're going from the kitchen to the bathroom to, you know, the room, back into the living room. I love that type. I don't know why. Maybe it's just me. But I actually enjoy just kind of like just going through just to see like, where the freak is this door going to lead to? But I don't know, it's just like, it's like a fun house almost. I actually enjoyed the layout of that apartment. And, you know, I'm just speaking about the 1-bedroom because we did not have the opportunity to check out the 2-bedroom just yet. So, I mean, even though she said and she showed us pictures, like it's pretty much the exact same thing. You know, it's not too much of a difference when it comes to that, but yeah. Still, you know what I mean? Yeah, I love the layout of that apartment. What she was saying was, with the sunroom, you're either gonna have either a sunroom or a balcony, but it's pretty much the exact same space. It's either gonna be inside or it's gonna be outside. So that's gonna come with the apartment. Again, a nice little addition. Not mad at that. I think the sunroom, you know, will probably be more of like some office space or whatever. She said that all of the apartments come with a washer and dryer hookup at least. So either you're gonna get a washer and dryer hookup or you might get a washer and dryer. So that's a plus. I think that one thing to always take in account, and I think that it's always good to ask this question, is how many units are there? Always ask how many units are there, and also ask how many maintenance people do you have on site, and are they available after hours? Right? Because I've literally heard of apartment complexes having hundreds of units and only have one maintenance guy. So when it comes to a maintenance issue, it's gonna be a while before they get to you. So I think that is very, very important to ask when you're going and doing these tours for these apartment complexes. As far as the customer service goes, y'all know I'm really, really big on customer service. I think that the young lady, I apologize, I can't remember what her name was, but customer service was excellent. She was actually the property manager. What she was basically saying was, you know, they have a lot of people on site during the week. Sometimes, you know, people don't work Saturday, but she don't mind coming in and doing. So that's a big thing. That's a bonus. The fact that she had good customer service, she's there on a day that she don't have to be, and you have a manager there on the weekend and have a good attitude about it. I think that says a lot. I think that says a lot about this apartment complex. I honestly didn't see any issues that stood out about that renovated unit that we went to go see. So I would say that based on what we've seen and based on the encounter with the property manager that we met, that I can't remember what the young lady's name was, but they get a pass. This apartment complex gets a thumbs up from me. Again, a huge shout out to asked me to go and tour this apartment complex. I am always willing to go and check out these apartment complexes for you. Just leave it down in the comment section or drop a comment in the community tab for apartment complexes you want me to go and check out. And I will get to it as soon as possible. Just keep in mind, I do have certain areas that I am working in. So some people might get their comment answered a little bit earlier than others. All right. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.